ways to play it rough, baby. And if you wanna bring a friend, it's more than welcome to join in. We'll have triple times the fun, yeah, this night has just begun. Let's play, I'll let you wrestle me. You can win all day, I'll show you what it means to fool around. You'll see, promise you want it now. Just come now,
1, 2, 3, let's go!
Unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting crunk, crunk. Boys try to touch my junk, junk. Gonna smack 'em if you're getting too drunk, drunk.